Guys, another day, another deal. This is a beautiful track, carbon fiber bike. It's a vintage bike that I got. I actually negotiated $150 for this bike and had the seller deliver it to me. Once I met up with the seller, he didn't disclose that these shifters didn't work correctly, okay? So when I push them, it doesn't change gears, both of them. So the drivetrain doesn't work. So I told him, look, dude, you drove all this way because it's a pretty far drive. It was like over an hour. So why don't I just do it and give you $100 and make it happen? He said, oh, can you do 125? I said, no, sir. I was willing to pay you 150. You said everything works, but these major components don't work. So he said, okay, I'll take 100 for it. So the point of the story is that I teach you in my book, which you can download below, plus in our Facebook group support, that have the sellers bring you the bikes because it allows you to negotiate more if the bike is not described correctly, okay? So the good news is not only did I get this bike for only $100, carbon fiber, it is a vintage, but I can easily flip this bike for $500. It's fully loaded, as you can see, with the bars. It's in pretty good shape. But the seller even gave me brand new shifters. These are 105. These are pretty expensive, okay? This is a high-end bike. So he even gave me a bunch of tools, box full of tools. Let me show it to you right here. Let me see, actually, it's in the back. Let me pull it up real quick. You can see right there, guys, this box is full of tools that the seller gave me. So here's some 105 shifters, bunch of tools. Like the tools are easily added up to like $500-600, okay? And parts that are brand new in the box. So I got that. Plus, I got it for $100. I should easily be able to flip this bike for $500. I was hoping to get $600-700 for it because this carbon fiber, it is in pretty good shape. It has great components. However, the shifters don't work, and I don't want to do the fix and flip. I don't do the fixing the bikes at all. I just buy them and sell them. So I'm willing to lose $200 just to make 500 versus $600-700. Not a bad day. Again, another day, another flip. It's called a new flip. So if you're looking to make money online, if you're looking to make money with very little amount of money to start up with, like low capital, if you're looking to buy your first home and you need a down payment, if you're looking to do your first fix and flip on a rental property or on a real estate, but you need the repair capital, think about flipping bikes, a new flip. A new flip is a strategy where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, how to negotiate with them, all in a copy and paste form, where you're able to grow your money 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x. Potentially depends on the deal. Okay. So anyways, guys, I got this deal for 100. I'm gonna flip it for 500. I'll keep you updated. When you flip, get it, and I'll meet you in the free coaching to help you win. Peace.